This was the loudest sound ever recorded. In 1883, the Krakatoa eruption shook the planet. The explosion was so powerful. It was heard over 4,800 kilometers away. People on distant islands thought it was cannon fire. The sound waves circled the earth multiple times. Windows shattered. Eardrums ruptured. Entire coastlines were hit by massive shock waves. Even today, nothing recorded has been louder. A sound so powerful. It traveled around the world. Follow for more facts.